Hi guys, it's Eileen here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have some happy mail from Payne. She did want to get in on my giveaway, but it came a little late, but she still didn't mind sending me something for happy mail. So I completely appreciate it, and I want to open this up and share her package. Sealed up really well, guys, so trying to get this open and check it out. Here's what we got. So she has a card here, and I'll just read that off the camera. And here are their goodies. And she sent all this pretty confetti, like shredded paper. I love having that, so I could add it back into you guys' gifts here. And inside, she has these really pretty flowers. Look at these, guys. Little flowers that she created. Super pretty. Love them. This is really pretty. And there's another one hidden here. So cute. I love these rolled flowers. Love them. Then she sent me a whole bunch of beads. Oop, one more rolled flower. And then she sent me these iridescent beads, pink, green, and blues. A whole sachet of them. Very generous. And then all these other fun colored beads, super cute. These are gonna make some great charms. Wow, guys, look at these gorgeous butterflies that she created. And I think on here are those stickle things I know people use, or diamond dust. I'm not really even sure. Look how beautiful, and I love butterflies, and this is a very cute die cut she's got here, and I love how she created her own little antennas. Very pretty. So I'm gonna move this out the way, and over here we got one more package. Thank you so much. And what do we got, guys? I can't quite tell yet. It is decorated and packaged so beautifully. She has this wood chip type of charm here, like a leaf, and this is a fox, and she put a little bell dangle. So this is what it looks like, guys. She created this packaging to send goodies in. This is super cool, Eileen. And inside here she's got beads. I guess these are beads, I'm not quite sure. They're tiny little, they're like flat back gems, clear gems. Wow, these are really cool, and she sent me a whole ton of them. Thank you for sharing. And inside you see, it's like a little cup. And on the side, you see the handle. This is the cutest thing. And I'm just trying not to ruin anything. So down here, it's one of those metal tins from the Dollar Tree. This is such a cool idea. So she put that as like the base of the cup, so it sits on there, and it opens, and she put pom-poms all inside of here. Very cool. And she also put in the beads, and then she put in some really pretty sequin mix, all fall type of colors and leaves. Really pretty. Thank you so much, and I think this is like the cutest way to package up something. I don't know how you exactly made it, but I do think this is super creative, and I do love all the little layers of all the ephemeras on here. I did read the card, guys, and I wanted you to see this gorgeous image, and I wanted you to know what she told me, that it was called a cup of kindness. It was a challenge from Christiane's Crafty Adventure. And that was who came up with the idea for the little cup here. Such a cute idea. So yeah, thank you, Christiane, for letting Ilene share this idea on. Alright guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to quickly share my happy mail and thank you so much Ilene. Everything is greatly appreciated. Thank you for supporting my channel. You guys must stop by hers if you don't know Ilene. She is amazing and crafty and super fun. So her channel will of course be linked below. Show her some love. And as always, I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.